Dr. Ara. Good evening, everyone. Please, settle in. Take your seats. This will take a few minutes because the truth deserves time. We begin with the Earth itself. 4.5 billion years ago, our planet was not this heavy world we know. It formed from a vast disk of gas and dust orbiting the young sun. Tiny grains collided, stuck, grew into pebbles, then rocks, then kilometer-scale bodies. Over tens of millions of years, that process continued. By roughly 4 billion years ago, the Earth had reached the size of Mars, diameter about 6,800 kilometers, mass about 11% of today's Earth. Surface gravity then, approximately 0.38 grams. Now, consider the stones we see today at Giza. A typical large granite block in the King's Chamber weighs 200 tons on modern Earth. Under 0.38 grams, that same block weighs only 76 tons. 76 tons is heavy, about 5 adult African elephants. But it is not impossible. With a ramp of packed earth, water poured on sand to reduce friction, wooden rollers, strong ropes, and a team of 20 to 30 people, such a block can be moved. Not in minutes, but over hours, days, weeks. And they had time, lots of it. The planet kept growing. Meteors, asteroids, debris, slowly but relentlessly added mass. Over the next 100 to 200 million years, gravity crept upward. 0.5 grams, 0.7 grams, 0.9 grams, finally 1 gram. Each step, the stones became harder to move. The ramps got steeper. The ropes snapped. The backs gave out. The builders, intelligent beings who came before us, lived in that earlier window. They may have been our distant ancestors. They may have been something else entirely. But they were intelligent. They planned. They measured. They cut stone with precision. They stacked megaliths not just in Egypt, but in places around the world. Mexico, Peru, Sudan, Indonesia. All with the same impossible-looking accuracy. All when the world was lighter, when gravity was kind. Then the window closed. The planet finished growing. Gravity locked in. Those beings, whatever they were, faded. Their bones dissolved over eons. Their tools rusted or were buried. We arrived much later. We found the stones. We tried to lift them. We failed. So we wrote stories. Aliens, levitation, slaves with whips, 20,000 men for 20 years. But run the numbers. Take a $3 calculator. Divide 2.3 million blocks by 20 years, by 365 days, by 10 hours a day. You get blocks moving every minute, every day, non-stop, under full gravity, with copper chisels and manpower alone. It doesn't add up. Under 0.38 grams, it does, perfectly. The textbooks never ask the one question that matters. What if gravity wasn't always the same? What if the planet was smaller then? What if the stones were lighter? That is the answer. Not sensational, not impossible. Just physics. Just the slow growth of a planet. And the people who were here before us, when the work was still human. Thank you. Questions?